Hello, I'm Mary Jane, and today I will guide you through a technique called diaphragmatic breathing. This breathing technique is also called abdominal breathing or belly breathing. The diaphragm is a large dome-shaped muscle located at the base of the lungs. Your abdominal muscles help move the diaphragm and give you more power to empty your lungs. Abdominal breathing affects the whole body and is a powerful way to help calm the mind, body, and spirit. When we are stressed, we tend to breathe with our shoulders and our chest rises. Abdominal breathing allows our shoulders and upper body muscles to work less and relax. Abdominal breathing can also help get the air you need without working so hard to breathe. Regular breathing exercises can help rid the lungs of accumulated stale air, increase oxygen levels, and get the diaphragm to return to its job of helping you breathe. Today, I will guide you through an abdominal breathing exercise lying down, but you can also perform it in sitting and later transition to standing. Begin by lying down on your back with your arms at your sides. This position will allow the shoulders to relax and the chest to open. You may also place a pillow under the knees so they are slightly bent. This position will relax the low back and keep the spine in neutral. When practicing abdominal breathing in a seated position, lengthen your spine by imagining a string at the top of your head, gently lifting you upright, with the shoulders relaxed and down. Place your right hand on your chest and your left thumb on your belly button so your palm gently rests on the lower abdominal area. Take a deep breath in your nose. Breathe out your mouth and move your belly in towards your body, flattening your lower abdominal area. As you breathe in through the nose, the belly will relax and you may feel your lower hand move out, away from your body. Breathe out through your mouth and your belly will press in, towards the body. Breathe in your nose and feel your lower hand come away from your body. Breathe out with your lips pursed like you were blowing out a candle and feel your lower hand move in towards the body. Work towards very minimal movement at the chest. Now continue the abdominal breathing at your own pace. As you breathe in, imagine smelling a flower. Feel the belly rise. As you breathe out, imagine blowing out a candle, pressing the abdominal muscle in towards the body. Continue breathing at your own pace. Breathe in through your nose and imagine smelling a flower. Feel the belly rise. As you breathe out, imagine blowing out a candle, pressing the abdominal muscle in towards the body. Continue breathing at your own pace. Breathe in your nose as if you are smelling a flower and feel the abdominal area rise under your lower hand. Breathe out your mouth, imagine blowing out a candle. Press your abdominal muscles towards the body. Continue breathing at your own pace. Breathwork is also helpful as a pre-meditation exercise to increase focus and mental clarity, and to contribute to deeper, more fulfilling meditative states.